API integrations. Well, I think you've seen this all over the place now, and I would love to know if you sign up through an API integration or if you sign up with this traditional way, your email, because now these days I just use API integrations all day long, which is good for me because it saves me a lot of time, and it's also good for the person, the owner of the website, because when I want to share something, or it's super easy, it's just one click away, I'm sharing something in Facebook or Twitter or LinkedIn. I love API integrations. I think they're a great way for referral, for acquisition, because people see where their friends are posting. Now, how to set it up? In WordPress, there's a plugin to do API integrations, and if you have something a little bit more complicated, you can go ahead and hire a coder. Even if you have someone in your team, that would be fantastic. But it shouldn't be too difficult these days. Most of the coding can be substituted with software, so you shouldn't have many trouble with this. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about ebooks. Please let me know if you have any questions in this one. Thank you very much.